Hello, in this video we'll show you how to measure the compression on a petrol engine with a compression kit. The engine that we're gonna measure the compression on is a 6-cylinder engine. In order to measure the compression on the engine, we need to remove the fuse for the fuel pump so that when you're trying to crank the engine, the fuel pump doesn't give any fuel. That's the fuse for the fuel pump. We just pull it out and the car won't be able to start when we crank it. The best way to measure the compression of an engine is to take out all the 6 plugs and then put the compression kit into each of the cylinders. I haven't done it exactly this way in this video, but the best way is to take out all the 6 plugs first and then do the compression measurement. That's the compression kit that I'm using. We'll screw one end of the hose onto the cylinder where the spark plug goes, and the other end of the hose we'll put on the gauge. Once we're ready, we're gonna crank the car for a few seconds and look at the gauge that it's showing. If it's showing around 8 to 12 bars, it's normal for the car. If it's less than 7 bars or over 12-13 bars, that means there's a problem with the engine. On this cylinder, the compression is around 11 bars. Now we put on the compression kit into the second cylinder and start to crank it again and see what happens. The compression in the second cylinder is 0 bars, so that means no compression in this cylinder. Now we try the third cylinder. The compression in the third cylinder is around 11 bars, so compression in the third cylinder is okay. Now we try the fourth cylinder. Compression in the fourth cylinder is also okay. Now we go to the fifth cylinder. Compression in the fifth cylinder is around 9 or 10 bars, so that's okay for this cylinder. Compression for the sixth cylinder is around 10 bars as well. So now we'll try the second cylinder again just to be sure that there is no compression there. Here it is, no compression on the second cylinder. That means the engine needs to go for repair. Thank you for watching, please subscribe.